Welcome to Standing Nation. I'm Yolanda Mbata, and standing next to me is Opilani Kumalo, well known as PK. PK, what a wonderful goal! Namhlanje. What made you choose ukskora ngale ndlela, and what was going through your mind?
Ngibona i-angle yakhipha, so ngabona ukuthi angipick isport yona ndawo engizombamba kahle kuyona. Luckily langena ke.
Okay, how is pre-season treating you so far?
Kuyasebenzeka. So far it's been good work namajita amasha.
Staff, everything.
Yeah,
like how you
ukujela
adapting?
kahle since sinama friendly la wakhona manje, but isizini yokuthi sijele nama teammates amasha sithola indlela yokudlala sino coach omusha sibamba indlela yakhe yokudlala entsha.
Is it promising? What can you promise us this upcoming season? Nabalandeli ababukayo.
Ukuthi soqhubeka la sigcine khona siqede kahle isizini la season. Ukuthi opportunity ukuthi siqhubeke la sigcine khona siprogress phambili.
There you have it from OPK aka Wesley. Danko.